I'm Dorothy from Let's Eat Malaysian. Today I'm going to make curry noodles. And these are the ingredients. 2 chicken drumsticks, a slice of barbecue pork, which I did in an earlier recipe. Now for barbecue pork, if you have any excess pork that you've already barbecued, you can actually freeze them and keep it for about a week or 2 before you take them out to do in a different dish. I've got 3 brown onions. This is actually the offcuts of lemongrass. What you normally have to do is to get 2 stalks of lemongrass and use only the bottom bit, but these I got from my daughter, so I'm just using it as an extra. A 1/4 cup of cashew nuts. Now usually we use candle nuts for the curry, but cashew nuts can substitute for candle nuts. This will give it the creamy flavor of the curry. Then I've got here 6 cloves of garlic. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend these ingredients. So first of all, we'll put in the onion, just chop it coarsely. By the way, the curry powder I'm going to use is meat curry. It comes in this packet, which is the best curry powder that I found so far. It is called Babas and is actually made from Malaysia. There's 2 types. This one with the red border, I think this is the hot and spicy. So if you can't take too hot, you can get the green one, which doesn't indicate the word hot and spicy. It just says Babas meat curry. Okay, let's continue with our blending. So let me cut all this up. For the curry, I'm also going to use coconut cream. This one I got from Aldi, right? And we'll see how much we'll use to thicken up the curry. This is a 400 ml tin. Now, to blend, we'll add in the garlic. Put in all your cashew nuts. And your lemongrass. This might not blend well. Maybe I have to use the bigger blender. I'll use this one instead. So I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. And I'm going to put it in, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to be pedantic, so I'm going to just use this spoon, which is a tiny one. So based on this, I'm going to put probably, this is not hot, this one is a mild one, so I'm going to put probably 8 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go and blend it. Oh yeah. So okay, I've added a little bit more water inside to get this blender going. About 3/8 in total. So this is the result of your paste. will leave that aside. And I'm going to just score my chicken. This is going to go in the curry. So just score. Just make some slits so that it will cook a bit faster. Okay, just leave it aside. Now this dish I'm going to top with brinjal. This is a very big brinjal, as you can see. But I'm going to fry everything. And I'm also going to use tofu, fried tofu slices. This you can get from the Asian shops. And put that, top it onto the curry. That we will do later. So let's us do the brinjal first. We'll fry the brinjal. The reason I soak the brinjal in water because it browns easily once it is out. So okay, I'm going to try to fry them in long strips. Medium flame using a non-stick wok. Just use about a spoonful of oil, a tablespoon of oil. If this is a tablespoon, yeah, about a tablespoon of oil, because brinjal, when you fry it, oil seeps out of the vegetable. What I'm trying to get is this brown of the brinjal, and it has to be soft. So it's getting there. So when you can get almost the whole piece this color, then it's done. Because we're going to put it into the curry noodles at the end. Okay, that is done. We can just go on with the cooking of the curry. Now that paste will need at least, okay, let's see, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Water, we don't want to waste all this. It will go into the curry as well, so shake it up, leave it aside. Okay, so I put 1 teaspoon of chili powder, give it some heat. This is Baba's chili, and it's the best chili powder I've found so far. It's got flavor and it's got color. So I'm going to put a teaspoon. This is about half of the prawn stock. Add this in. Thick. The cream is all on top, not that. There's only the water. So I want the cream, I don't want the... You'll see. Adding salt. Put a bit at a time. So I'm just going to put... Use your own judgment. I'm going to start with just about 1/3 of a teaspoon. Yes, very mild. Okay. So another. So that will be 2/3. I scared. 2/3 teaspoon. You add your drumstick inside. You see, as you cook your chicken drumsticks, you can see the blood coming out. So you want to keep them in longer, because if the blood is coming out and it's still there, that means the inside of the drumstick is not cooked yet. So you want that to be thoroughly cooked until no more blood seeps out of the drumsticks. Then you know the chicken is done. Okay, I'm boiling some water here because I'm going to blanch the noodles and put in a bowl. I want to blanch the noodles and then put it in a bowl. And these are the Wokka thin noodles that I'm using. Lower the fire, small, and then you put your noodles inside. I'm going to put bit by bit, just to blanch the noodles. Okay. You're doing a quick blanch. Okay, that's all you need. Okay, then you can scoop them up. Okay, I think the chicken is done, but I'm going to lower the fire to keep the curry hot, and then I'll go with this. Alright, we will start to fry our tofu strips. Enough oil to brown your tofu. Okay. Fried bean curd sheet, pucuk goreng. That is in Malay, pucuk goreng, fried bean curd sheets. So what I'm going to do is I want to brown these and put it into the bowl. Okay, it's already brown, as you can see. So this is already ready to go into the bowl. Can you see the brown? This is ready. It doesn't have much of a flavor, but it gives you that texture when you put your curry in. These slices actually don't have much of flavor. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Try my dish, and if you like it, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.